ProShare sells, places, and manages the digital advertising on your association's website. ProShare can also generate digital advertising revenue through its partnerships with Higher Logic and InReach.
Clients of these service providers benefit by being able to serve ads through existing advertising spots on each of these sites and collect additional non-dues revenue. ProShare sells banner, rich media, mobile, and video ads.
You have full control over which types of ad categories are permitted to run on their site.
ProShare provides monthly reports on your site's traffic and monthly non-dues revenue based on the traffic your site generates on the network.